This is called Bird Plaza, Pigeon Plaza, Square. This is incredible, so many and so colorful. Hundreds, thousands of birds. Oh, that is live. I saw that is a statue.
Pigeon Plaza, pigeon.
Holy cow!
Holy cow!
Holy cow!
I was in that one and
The
he
pigeons,
didn't move.
excuse me, the pigeons,
Oh,
we keep
no.
them here because they kills the termite, they eat the termite.
Ah,
The droppings, actually the droppings of the pigeon kills the termite out. The wood bug, it's acid.
Yeah.
They keep away. That's why they protect our wooden buildings. That's why we feed them, we give them food and water. But in Europe, they give poison, they kill them. The flying
yes.
rat.
The pigeons? Yeah. flying
But we
out.
keep them here.
Why?
They keep our temple, wood alive.
Termites, it kills
The wood bug
really?
and termite, they go away.